friends, how are you? I am doing an unboxing. Welcome in. I am excited. I haven't done an unboxing from Alexander & Co. ever. This is my first purchase from them, so I wanted to get on, do a real quick video so that you get to see what I got. And I'm excited because this is like I've used a lot of vendors, and this is my first time using Alexander & Co. So let me unbox. It's not a huge order because I mean I've really got a lot of everything that I need, but I went snooping, and you know what happens when you just window shop, right? Window shopping usually becomes a real thing. So let's see what this is about. My first time unboxing anything from them. So got a thank you with the follow us. And I wish I could just toss it like Kim does, but but here's my order. So just catching up on some odds and ends that I wanted to have for fall. So I like working with moss. So I got some green, I got some solid, and I got a border mesh. So get that. Like I said, this is a really small, and oh, that's cute. See, now I have a little bit of regret because I only got one, but that's really cute. It's a sage with the orange border stripe. I have some signs that I want to utilize that. Kind of having a little bit of regret that I didn't get more. So, and of course, you know, we could always use black for Halloween. So another black with the border mesh stripe in it, if you can see that. And like I said, this is like a super quick unboxing, and I don't want to go super fast and talking, but you know, when it's small, there's only so much you can talk about. So I got my metallic, I'm looking to see, I like burnt orange. If I'm going to use orange, I prefer, you know, if I'm just doing like fall, I prefer the burnt orange. If I'm doing Halloween, I like the vibrant orange. So I have my burnt orange 1.5. Got 2 of those. These are RG ribbons, by the way. I have, and I got 2 of each of these. So I do breast cancer. I get breast cancer awareness ribbons, and I have some Christmas and some winter that have a little bit of pink in it. And I didn't want baby pink, and I didn't want rose gold. So this is like if baby pink and rose gold had a baby, it would be this color. And you can't always find it on the other online shopping that I do from that other craft place. So this is called Rose. It's a crystal shine, so the glitter doesn't shed. And this one here is just called Rose. So it's like I said, it's like if the two had a baby together, this is what it would be, and I really like it. So I got the 1.5 inch, and I got the 2.5 inch. So that's my ribbon. Oh, I got a couple more ribbons. This one here was really pretty, and now that I have it in person, I'm really kind of regretting I didn't get 2. But I know after I'm done with you guys, I'm gonna write on my box, my spool, where I get it from and how much I paid for it, so I know where to find it again, because I've learned that this past year when trying to hunt down ribbon. When you get to the end of the spool, it's like, where did I get this from? So this is really pretty. It's a stripe accent ribbon, 1.5 inch, but it's brown with the copper or the burnt orange going through it. So this is a nice little accent to add to your bows when you're doing your fall. Then they had a clearance on. I was randomly looking at the clearance, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I could use that. So I bought some cute signs. They say it's like a morning coffee, like I think it says like first coffee, or something like that on it. And I mean, I was just gonna use cream and brown ribbon to go with it, but then she had her coffee ribbon on clearance. So, well, I said, shoot. Look, coffee ribbon. So I think they were only like, they were just over 3 doll hairs a piece. And when they were on clearance for that price, that's when you buy 2. That's what I did. So, and I did get, going back to the mesh because I'm not consistent, I got a pink to go with the breast cancer awareness signs that I want to do. And they had this orange with the blue border mesh. It's like a snowdrift blue. And I have some signs that will actually match, you know, the reason why I bought it is because my signs would actually match it. So, that's it, guys. That's my really, really quick haul. I hope you found it enjoyable. And again, this was Alexander and Co. So be sure to go out and snoop them. They're on TikTok. I'm not sure, and you know, they're online, but they're on TikTok. They usually they're selling, I believe, their live sales are on TikTok. So check them out. And that's it. One little box, and I'm happy. So very, very nice first buy. So I'm really super happy. All right. We'll check you later, guys. Message me if you need SKU numbers or anything like that. I'll let you know what they are here. All right. So we'll check you later. Bye. Thanks.